Hello students, welcome you all in e-learning. Today we are going to see the model question paper for GS HSEB, Gujarat Madhyamik and Uchtar Madhyamik Shikshan Board. This is the model question paper for standard 10th subject Sanskrit, and this is according to the latest and new paper style and new syllabus. See, the time will be of 3 hours and total weightage will be of 80 marks. Now let us see the instruction first of all. There are 5 sections in this question paper. Second, there are 1 to 61 questions. Third, marks are indicated at the right side of the question paper. And fourth, begin now new section from the new page. Now see section A. This section E is totally based on prose lessons. So the very first instruction is translate the following passage. Here two passages is given, and from that two passages you have to choose any one. And total weightage of this is 4 marks. So two passages, and from that you have to select any one, and it is of 4 mark. Second question is answer the following Sanskrit questions in Sanskrit. So weightage is 2 marks. 3 will be given. From that 3 you have to choose any 2. See here, you can see third question Siddhem Satasu Adhyayeshu Kasya Vyakaranam Asti. Fourth Apadheru Dhivareha Jalashaya Kim Kshiptam. And fifth Srishti Putrasya Kim Nama Asit. So 3 questions. From that 3 you have to choose any 2, and you have to answer any 2. Third, answer the following question in English. So total 3 questions will be given to you. Each question will conduct 2 marks. So each question will be of 2 marks, and 3 are given. So it is of 4 marks. Each question will be of 2 marks. Now GS HSEB. Next question is like this. Write short note on the following. 2 will be given. You have to choose any one and write the answer. It will be of 2 marks. Next, read the paragraph and answer the question carefully and write answers in Sanskrit. Will be of 4 marks. So one paragraph will be given from the prose section. From that you have to write answers of 4 questions. Now let us move further for section B. Here in section B, section B will be totally based on poems, poetry or verses. So the very first question is translate the following passage into English. So 2 passages are given. From that any one you have to choose, and it will be of 4 marks. Second is write the following Sanskrit questions answers in Sanskrit. Will be from the poems only, from the verses itself, and it will be of 2 marks. 3 are given. From that 3 you have to choose any 2. Now next, write the following answers in English, any 3 you can see here, and here 4 are given. From that 4 you have to choose any 3 and write the answer. It will be of 6 marks. Each question will conduct 2 marks. And complete the verse. Complete the verses. 3 will be given. You have to choose any 2, and it will be of 4 marks. Section C, translate the following dialogues into English. See here 2 dialogues are given. You have to choose and you have to write any one, right? So it will be of 4 marks. See, section C is totally based on the lessons, which is drama type of lesson. So you have to focus that. Section A will be of prose lesson, section B will be of poems, and section C will be based on dramas, means prose or dialogue type of lessons. Now next question is state who says to whom, and it will be in a match the following and it will conduct 2 marks. Next is answer the following question in English, will be from dialogue type of lesson. So 3 will be given, you have to choose any 2, will be of 4 marks, so each contains 2 marks. Write a short note for the following, any 2 will be of 4 marks, right, each contain 2 mark. Next, make the sentence using the words given in the brackets, any 2, right. And section D is totally based on instruction, or we can say grammatical part. Here answer the following questions according to the instruction given. So as the instructions are given, you have to choose the answer and write the answer. See, first is synonym समर. शब्दस्य समानार्थकं शब्दम अधोदतेभ्यः विकल्पेभ्यः चित्वा लिखत will be of 1 mark. So 3 are given and from that you have to answer the question. So the answer for samarah is yuddham. Likewise 39 number is antonym, will be of 1 mark. Vartman kal uttam purush ekvachan, so the present tense form you have to identify, it will be of 1 mark. Then future tense form you have to identify, it will be of 1 mark. Agnarth 1 mark, Vidyarth 1 mark, Sma 1 mark, and Vibhakti you have to identify the Vibhakti, Panchami Vibhakti 1 mark, Sashti Vibhakti you have to identify, it will be of 1 mark. Now you have to Uppat Vibhakti, you have to use Uppat Vibhakti and use from the bracket answer, so 1 mark. Sankhya Pad you have to give, so it will be of 1 mark. Krudant Prakar participle type you have to write, it will be of 1 mark. Sandhi Vichhed will be of 1 mark. Sandhi join will be of 1 mark. And samas, identify the samas, right. अतो अधो दतयोः समासिक पदयोः समास प्रकारो दतेभ्यः विकल्पेभ्यः चित्वा लिखत will be of 2 marks. And section E, right. Here in section E, activities are like this. The very first is arrange the sentences according to the sequence of the story, it will be of 4 mark. Next is read the following passage carefully and write the answers in Sanskrit, it will be of 4 marks. Then join the author with its work, join the name of author with its work, so match the following A with B, it will be of 2 marks. Next, correct the underlined words and rewrite the paragraph. Correct the underlined words and rewrite the paragraph. You have to correct the underlined words and rewrite the paragraph, will be of 3 marks. And last, translate the following verses and expand the idea. Here 2 will be given, you have to choose any one and answer that, so it will be of 3 marks. Dear students, here we have seen the model question paper for standard 10th subject Sanskrit with the new syllabus, new paper style 2020-21. You can write this paper in your work notebook for practice as well. Thank you.